Dr. Panda. Hello. Dr. Panda. Toto. Please tell us what will you be doing today? Dr. Panda. Let's go. Dr. Panda. Uh-oh. When tasks are big, come bring your friends and let's play. Fighting fires, fixing tires, he always saves the day. Out of groceries, hey, no worries. Dr. Panda's on his way. Dr. Panda. Dr. Panda. Hello. Come on, let's go and have some fun today. Hi, Dr. Panda. What are you going to do today?
Oh, hi, everyone. Well, I just had a few things delivered that might give you a clue. Some bowls and a frying pan. Can you guess what job I'm doing today?
You're a chef.
That's right! I'll be cooking lots of food right here in my diner. Whatever a customer wants to eat, I'll cook it. Hey, Toto, that looks cozy.
Welcome to Diners, Dr. Panda. I'm Hooper, your waiter. What menu can I get from you today?
Almost right, Hoopa. It's welcome to Dr. Panda's Diner. And what can I get you from our menu today?
Oh, okay. I'm Hooper, your waiter. What can I get you today? From my menu.
Close enough. I have to get some fresh ingredients from Moose Farm. Can you open up the diner while I'm gone?
Sure thing, Dr. Panda. Leave it to me.
There you go, Dr. Panda. Apples from my orchard and carrots, potatoes and onions from my field.
Oh, thanks, Moo. It all looks very fresh.
And we mustn't forget your eggs, of course.
Oh, but I asked for 2 trays of eggs. Lots of my dishes contain eggs.
I'm sorry, Dr. Panda. These are all the eggs I have. Oh, the chickens aren't happy.
Oh, what's the trouble?
I'm out of straw, and the chickens can't get comfortable. Only happy chickens lay eggs, Dr. Panda.
Okay. Thanks for all these other ingredients, Moo. I hope the new straw comes soon.
So do I, Dr. Panda.
Welcome to Dr. Panda's Diner. I'm waiter, your Hooper.
Huh?
I'm Hooper, your waiter. What can I get you from our menu today?
It says here that if I want something from the menu that you don't have, I get it all for free. Is that true?
Yep.
Oh, good. I have a big appetite. I'll start with some fried eggs, please.
Coming right up. Here's our first order, Dr. Panda. Ziggy's got a big appetite, and he wants a plate of fried eggs first.
Moo didn't have as many eggs as I'd hoped.
Oh, okay. I'll ask Ziggy if he wants something else instead.
Hoopa, wait! I have enough eggs for this order, but please try and get him to order something without eggs next.
Leave it to me, Dr. Panda.
Oh, that was good. For the next round, I think I'll have...
How about soup, or spaghetti, or a sandwich? Oh, we have very good sandwiches.
Oh, a cheese and tomato sandwich. That makes my tummy rumble.
Oh, mine too. Lovely fresh tomatoes and crumbly cheese. Sweet dressing. You know what'd go really well with that? Some hard-boiled eggs.
Great idea! That's what I'll have! With 2 hard-boiled eggs.
Oh,
Nothing wrong, is there?
no. Good choice, sir. great news, Dr. Panda.
Oh, good. You finally got Ziggy to order something without eggs.
Yep.
What did he order? Spaghetti, soup, pie, a salad?
No. Blueberry pancakes.
Oh, but I need eggs to make the batter for the pancakes, and I'm all out of eggs.
Oh, boy.
Excuse me, there isn't a problem with my order, is there?
No. Problem? What problem? There's no problem, Egg. There is a problem. A big problem. If Ziggy doesn't get what he wants, we have to give him his meal for free.
If only Moo's chickens could lay more eggs. I have an idea. Moo, can you bring the chickens to the diner?
Huh? What for? Ooh, taking chickens across the city is not easy, Dr. Panda. Now, what exactly is your plan?
Well, I know your chickens don't have straw, but I wonder if they might like this instead.
Oh, I think they like it. Great idea, Dr. Panda.
Now we just have to wait. You know what happy chickens do.
I found one!
Excuse me, you're taking your time with those pancakes.
They're coming right up, Ziggy. We've just had a fresh delivery of eggs.
Wow! The food here really is fresh. After the pancakes, I think I'll have the pie. With a side order of fresh eggs!
Oh! Thanks for giving me a great idea, Toto. You look like a knight with that helmet on. But that's an adventure for another day. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye, Dr. Panda.